may action!
Calling all registered nurses with 2 years clinical experience, male or female from ages 21 to 35 years old, who are interested to work abroad.
Nurses Go offers opportunities to work in Ireland, London, Canada, Dubai, Kuwait, Lebanon, Qatar, Pakistan, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, and Malaysia. Come and visit us at North Drive Building, BS Aquino Drive, Bacolod City, or check our website www.nursesonthego.com.ph. Bring the following requirements: resume, application letter, addressable birth certificate, 2x2 picture, passport, 2 valid IDs, diploma, NBI and police clearance, and transcript for your record.
Nurses on the Go is a licensed agency of DOE.
Mag-ingat sa illegal recruiter.
Kami din sa magpapakita sa illegal recruiter. Nagignog lang kami diyo.
Maamba, di ka muhiyan
Gani, Mara, Canada, kamu makapagkabit sa mga country.
Gamatadlaw sila.
Mga flag mo lagi.
Ha? Sila na lang yung mambatanan?
Pwede man, memorize sa taga.
tayo.
Siya na lang kanya tama na. Ikaw sana lang ako na.
Amo na lang,
Recruiters na lang.
amo na lang ang Nurses on the Go is a licensed
Agency
agency
of
of
DOE.
POEA. Mag-ingat sa illegal recruiter. Amo
Kami
na
din
ba?
naman.
Gani tatlo, duwaan na Nurses on the Go is a licensed agency of POEA. Mag-ingat sa illegal recruiter. Only one.
Ako mabalik. Mag-ingat. Illegal. Ikaw to ang nurses. Mag-ingat.
Te, ano, te? Hindi, dungan ako mag-ingat sa illegal recruiter.
That's late.
Sige, mo sa kano din po. Sa kilid.
Sige, sige na, liwata ha. Liwata ha. Alright na ha.
Mag-ingat sa illegal recruiter sa yung balutang mo na.
Nurses on the Go is a licensed agency of POEA.
Agency of DOE.
Mag-ingat sa illegal recruiter. Babala! Mag-ingat sa... Sige na lang, babala sa babala.
So kayo ba siya?
Oo!
Babala.
Ayun na ha.
Babala. Ang taong
Ready, get set, go! Call
Calling all registered nurses with 2 years clinical experience, male or female from ages 21 to 35 years old, who are interested to work abroad.
Nurses on the Go offers opportunities to work in Ireland, London, Canada, Dubai, Kuwait, Lebanon, Qatar, Pakistan, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, and Malaysia. Come and visit us at North Drive Building, BS Aquino Drive, Bacolod City. Or check our website www.nursesonthego.com.ph. Bring the following requirements: resume, application letter, addressable birth certificate,
2 pictures.
passport, 2 valid IDs, diploma, NBI and police clearance, and transcript or records.
Nurses on the Go is a licensed agency of POA.
Babala. Sige na. Illegal recruiter.
Illegal. Pwede mo yun.
Babala!
Patay na sige. Buligin nyo.
Friends!
Friends!
Nalala.
Ano na?
lang sa gahata. Pero bira-bira mo.
In our second scene, narrator. Opportunity knocks only once. If this comes to our door, we must grab this chance and do the best we can. Today, we are going to present how a recruitment agency for nurses works as a stable employee, suitable employees, starting from recruitment until selecting their employees. Good afternoon. Tapos, masunod si Bakong Ang.
Box, nag-CR pa.
CR pa. Okay. Ikaw na lang, si Bakong Ang.
Sige. Hi guys, Bob Pinsor, kulit. Kuya, paano na? Kway-kway na tayo.
Hindi, si ano pa si Lin May.
Ling May. Ako na lang. Okay lang, mayo kay kompleto, tas ubong. Ano na?
Bakasyon.
Nakabakasyon na sila Rose Ann, Jimmy, and Kwai.
Sunod ako mo din yung tatlo na kayo. Tatlo ka masungan. O, medyo pasalubong. Jimmy, sunod yun.
Alala ko na.
Lin. Ay,
Jun, di mo na-kiss na siya magbahan.
Nurse ako. Hello, friends!
Hello, friends! Hello, friends! Hello! Wow! Imatapos na ako din ng barang.
Bakit ang Philippines?
House abroad.
Noipi. Yes, Noipi. We are Noipi again.
Yeah, long time no see. House abroad.
Yeah, long time no see. It was great. We work in the same hospital, and the salary is very high.
Bebet.
Really?
Really?
And that's good for us.
That's good for you.
Really? That's good for the plastic little friend.
Really? That's good for you.
Tapos na sila.
Pwede man, boss i-record ang kwan. Boss ano? Sa absent, sa regular.
Kailangan kita yung balaan kita.
Pwede man? Yan mo?
Sino ma-review ba sa?
Miss Pinagandi mo lang.
Uy, naka-record. Di ba lang inyo